Waitwhile offers queue management and appointment scheduling that takes customer communications to the next level. Communication is vital to creating a great customer experience, but it's not always easy to get it right when you're juggling disconnected tools and scattered conversations. Waitwhile brings all your customer communication into one seamless platform, automated, personalized, and built for modern teams. Here is how it works. Positive, clear communication means ensuring the right message is sent at the right time. From booking confirmations and reminders to updates and follow-ups, Waitwhile automatically triggers text messages, email, and push notifications throughout the customer journey. Each message is fully customizable to match your brand voice and tone, resulting in a consistent and professional experience. With the right queue management platform, you can keep conversations flowing naturally. Customers can reply directly to messages, ask questions, or request changes, and your team can respond in real time from one centralized dashboard. No switching between systems, no missed messages, just clear, organized, two-way communication. Your staff has the ability to use a personal touch. Automated messages handle routine confirmations, reminders, line updates, like next in line, and follow-ups via text messages or email. When a personal touch is needed, staff can step in and send a custom message to handle special requests, delays, or last-minute changes. Waitwhile's platform allows you to keep customers informed at every step. Automated templates and triggers make staying in touch and decreasing no-shows easy. Customers receive confirmations, reminders, status updates, and follow-ups. Communication becomes timely and relevant, increasing satisfaction and loyalty. And with live tracking, customers can see real-time queue updates at a glance, without having to chase down the latest message. Tracking performance helps you improve your operations over time. Built-in analytics show delivery rates, response rates, and engagement insights, helping you continuously refine your communication strategy. With Waitwhile, stronger communication builds stronger relationships, leading to a customer experience that turns the wait into a competitive advantage. Waitwhile. Customer-first service is smart business with our smart queue management and appointment booking platform.